Today was a really exciting experience for Covestro. It was focused around how the future of mobility will change in the next 10 years and what opportunities that future will bring.
We've got designers, we've got people from media, we've got supply chain, we've got some OEMs, we've got nonprofits all coming together to try to coalesce the ideas of mobility.
And in a space like mobility, I think you need to hear everyone's perspectives, because there's a lot of things that people can describe that come from a mixed audience like this that help put some realities to things, but also some inspiration. So I think today's event was fruitful.
This is a topic where the public policy decision makers have to come in, of course the technologists, the business people, if you will, the customers at the end of the day will basically dictate what happens or what does not. So you need to be bringing in people from very different perspectives to make this successful.
The idea of mobility, the idea of opportunity is not and should not be a privilege, but rather a right. You know, this should be an opportunity for everybody, and so everybody's voices really should be heard.
There's not a definitive conclusion for today. It's really a matter of trying to get that whole dialogue started, and again, focusing that dialogue toward potential collaboration.
Covestro's Future of Mobility virtual reality experience is something that's very exciting for us. We realize that when you're trying to convince people that aren't necessarily aware of how important materials will be for this industry, having a tool where you get to allow them to be immersed in the experience firsthand is something that's very powerful.
You get to step into a completely different environment than we're accustomed to today. So that helps us to think about the types of materials that might be needed in such an environment.
This is something that I think is going to promote and accelerate public understanding and public appreciation for mobility in the future and the possibilities that'll be opened up to people all over the world.
It's really cool to see university talent, local political leaders, and industry coming together to create that future.